Hi folks, I'm Nate with Two Guys in a Ride. Today Rob and I are here at the Northwest Sports Show at the Minneapolis Convention Center. I'm here with Joey, and we're here at Excel Power Bikes. So, Joey, obviously that means the bikes are powered, right?
You got it. So all of our bikes are equipped with a 48 volt, 12.8 amp hour Samsung battery and a 750 watt rear hub motor. Those are the power parts of the bike.
Okay, so and every bike has the same motor and the same battery.
Correct.
Okay,
Correct.
so then what, in a basic sense, what differs between the models and if those two are the same?
Yeah. So what it really comes down to is how does it fit you? This model right here is our big ticket. This bike here is on sale for $16.99 here at the show. It's made for a bigger rider. It's got some presence, but it's a very versatile bike.
Okay.
This is a non-foldable bike. It does have an external battery, which we'll show you with the City Slicker as well. But this is a great bike for any style of rider, off-road, on-road, whatever you need.
Okay, so if I'm a brand new consumer and I'm looking at possibly getting an electric bike, how much assistance can this give me, and for how long with this battery?
It's a great question. So there's two main ways to make the bike go. One of them, all of our bikes are equipped with a throttle. This is always on demand to full speed. So if you're coming up to a little daunting hill, you can pull the throttle and you'll get right to the top. The second way to make it go is pedal assist levels. So I'll turn the bike on for you here and you'll see our monitor. Pedal assist 1. This is the least amount of assist. So a good way of explaining it is you'll be doing 80% of the work, the bike will be doing about 20%.
Okay.
But it'll keep you at a constant speed whether you're going up a hill or down a hill. And it really flattens the playing field for riders.
Okay. Honestly, how far do the numbers go from 1 to 10, 1 to 8?
So it goes 0 through 5.
Okay.
0 is no assist, 5 is the most assist.
All right, so I'm running at, let's say, 3.
Yep.
Approximately how long is that battery going to last me?
Good question. So that'll last you about 35 to 40 miles. There are some variables in there as far as terrain. And,
always is. But, but a basic idea, so consumers are thinking about that can compare that to whatever other stats they have. Okay, if I run it wide open, I'm lazy. I just ate a big meal. I'm not going to do any pedaling. Can I power it solely off the battery without pedaling?
Absolutely. So I get lazy too. The throttle, it turns it into a complete moped. If you're doing that, you'll get about 20 miles cruising range only with the throttle.
Okay. And this split right here, this is yeah,
it's
that's
active.
The throttle, folks, in case you hadn't noticed that.
Yep, you got it.
That's why they don't let me on toys.
So I'll turn it off here. The throttle's on the inside.
Just out of safety.
It's a half turn on your right hand.
There are children present. Okay. On that side. That's that side, right. All right. This is, I'm assuming, a phone holder, but it could be for it adjusts fairly wide. So is that its intent, or do you have another piece of digital information people could buy to
So this is a phone holder. What a lot of our customers will do is put on their GPS. If you're going to a restaurant, type it in, follow the map, and you'll get there. Another cool thing about our bikes is you can charge your phone from our battery. So if you're running low on juice, you can charge from our battery and keep your phone charged as well.
Okay, so the controls are pretty simple. This is what, a 14-speed? Or
this is a 7-speed.
Just is a 7-speed,
yep.
Okay. And so that works like any other normal 7-speed bike.
Correct. If you have the battery off the bike, it's a completely normal bike.
Right. But even with the battery on, you can switch those gears, right?
Absolutely.
Okay. And you got a horn. This is to control your digital display.
Yeah, so we kept everything very simple. You have 3 main buttons. The M button, that's going to turn your monitor on. Okay. So now the bike is active. So if you pull that throttle again, it'll go.
No, I'm keeping my hand off the throttle.
Yeah. So the other button.
I'd like to touch the throttle, though.
Yeah, it's fun. The other buttons are for changing your pedal assist levels. So up will increase your speed and your assist. Down will decrease your speed and your assist.
Okay, and then you've got an energy bar. You got your speed.
Yep.
And then your odometer.
Correct. And a couple cool features in here. Our monitors do track your trip miles, your voltage of your battery, your trip time, your average trip speed, and your maximum trip speed.
Okay, so can be used as a regular bike. 6 levels, including
6
0
levels, yep.
of assist. You got regular mirrors on here. You got, I'm assuming, LED lights.
Yep.
Okay, let's hop through and take a look at the next bike in your lineup.
All right.
Okay, so here we are at the next one. So tell us what's different about this one.
Yeah, so here you're looking at one of our foldable models. We do have two foldable models. One is a step over and one is a step through. Now the difference in that is the angle of this bar. This one's a step through, so a little bit easier to get on and off. The bike folds up. You can throw it in any vehicle, in a boat, in an RV. Very portable, and it's a great model. This bike also comes with all the components that we've discussed on the other bike. It's the 48 volt Samsung battery, the motor, the same interface, monitor. So across the board, this bike is made for transportability.
And a little bit lighter.
Yeah,
I mean, it's just
absolutely.
not as big as the other one.
It's about 5 to 7 pounds lighter, and it is an internal battery, so
I
it
was
is
going to say
very
it's inside. And if you open this up, then you have access to pull that battery out.
correct.
Do you have a charging port somewhere on the outside of the bike?
Yeah, so on the opposite side here, there's a little hole where you can charge it for in your garage, or you can take it out and bring it in your house to charge as well. So right here, charge your bike up, and you'll be good to go.
Okay, so you're going to get a little bit, probably a little more range out of this one.
Yeah, a little
You know,
bit.
just because of the lighter weight.
Nothing too extreme, but you do get a little more range on this one.
Okay, so then moving over, you've got another one here.
Yeah. Over here, this is our city slicker. This is made for people that are going to strictly be riding on streets and paths. It's a great, efficient bike. It's our lightest and most efficient bike. Really versatile. It also has a banana-shaped handlebar. A lot of women do gravitate towards this bike. It's great for posture, and the handlebars are right there for you.
Okay, and it's got the same battery, same motor, like all your bikes do.
Correct.
All right, so then moving over to this one right here.
Yeah, and this is our last model out of our 4 models. This is very similar to the one we looked at earlier, the foldable bike. This one comes in black. Hunters really do like this bike. It's made for outdoors, completely weatherproof. Get to your deer stand. It's a great bike for a little bit more adventurous people.
Okay.
Got extremely thick tread, so it's really made for all terrain.
Yeah, boy, those are really thick.
And this bike here is on sale at the show for $14.99. So the prices, the first one we started with was $16.99. The City Slicker is $15.99, and our foldable bikes are both $14.99.
Okay, and if someone wanted to find you online, they would just look for Excel Power Bikes online?
Yep, xlpowerbikes.com. The sale's good through the end of the weekend, and give us a call and we'll answer any questions you have.
Okay, and where are you located? If someone wanted to come and physically shop at your store?
Yep, we're out of River Falls, Wisconsin. We welcome guests for test ride, and we love having people out to our headquarters.
So, warranty.
Yep.
What is a warranty on any of these bikes? Is it all the same?
Yeah, so it's
Okay.
a 1-year warranty on non-wearable parts. The best way to explain that is if you pop a tire, bring it to a shop and get that fixed. And you can do it yourself as well.
Okay.
We have a YouTube channel to help with all basic repairs for your bike
Nice.
to help you out. But everything that costs some money in the bike is a 1-year warranty.
All right. What's the top speed on these bikes?
So the top speed is governed right at 20 miles an hour. It is a Class 2 e-bike, so
It has to be
there are
governed.
some restrictions to speed, and it's right at 20 miles an hour.
Okay. Okay, Joey, I tell you what, thank you so much for spending your time with us. We love
Yeah.
learning about electric bikes. They're becoming a very hot thing lately.
Absolutely.
And so it's fun to not only see one, but your lineup.
Yeah,
So thank you for spending your time with us today.
we've had a lot of fun researching the industry, and give us a look online, and we're happy to help.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.